Damage control party, move it! Get that hose deployed!
Aye, sir, we're on it!
We need more pressure on this line.
Get that hose connected now! We've got a breach on deck 4. Look out, we're taking on water! Brace yourselves! Help me with him! Secure the deck! Keep moving, don't stop! Fire teams to the main deck!
Brace for secondary explosion.
Look at the size of this thing. I can't believe we actually found it.
Captain! The hull is compromised!
Hold fast, man. Watch that beam, careful now. All right, lift it higher. right, lift it up. Easy now, swing it over the side.
The rifling looks absolutely perfect now.
And the traverse mechanism is smoother than ever.
They did an incredible job with the plating.
Looks good up here, almost done with this section.
Copy that, let's check the seams below.
A little more to the left, careful with the cable slack.
Holding steady. Looks perfect from here. As you can see on the schematic here, these analog gauges regulate the primary steam pressure. The readings are remarkably stable. We've managed to completely rebuild the bridge structure ahead of schedule. The plating is secure, and we're ready for the next phase. Welcome aboard, everyone. Come on in.
Wow, this is absolutely incredible.
It's stunning, I can't believe it.
To the Yamato, it's magnificent.
Absolutely stunner, darling. Cheers.
A toast to the restored Yamato.
It's absolutely breathtaking, isn't it?
Look at that sunset over the canopy.
Absolutely stunning. The golden hour truly transforms the landscape.
Here are your drinks.
Thank you.
Cheers to the finest cruise on the seas.
Welcome to the Grand Lobby. We've preserved the historic charm while adding unparalleled luxury, as you can see with this magnificent staircase.
True success isn't just about reaching the destination. It's about the journey and the moments we cherish along the way.
Here are the vests. Everyone grab one. Let's get moving. The boat is ready.
Thanks.
Awesome, thanks. Looking good out there.
Okay, team, let's load up.
The snorkeling gear is ready.
We are so excited to finally see the Yamato.
Welcome to the marina. Allow me to show you to your suite.
Thank you. We are thrilled to be here. I still can't believe this used to be a warship.
I know, right? The view is incredible. This is absolutely incredible. I still can't believe they did this.
I know, right? The view from up here is amazing.